Well, good morning, everybody. It's Larry Steinhaus, and I am the Crazy Options Trader. I told you. I said yesterday, I said the market was going to go up 150 points. Okay, I know the market finished 60, but it was up 140 points at one point, and it's still rocking. Pre-market looks really, really good. Be careful. All right, here's the strange thing that's happening. I looked at, excuse me, I'm still sick. I'm still getting my tonsils out next month, I should say. Anyway, I looked at some charts, and the charts were showing me some things that were interesting. The dips like we had the other day when the whole Trump mess happened, you have that big dip. I looked and saw the last four dips and what happens after the last four dips. And after the last four dips, believe it or not, the stock market goes up. It goes up a lot. It seems to ramp up a lot at that point. Now, we also have the dead zone coming. Remember, I talk about the dead zone, something that happens right between earnings. So dead center between earnings, stocks tend to fall down. Netflix dead zone is literally this week. Interestingly enough, it just hit probably its bottom. So Netflix is probably a really good stock to get into in the next couple of days and ride it, I'm going to guess, into the 160s easily. No problem. Dead zone coming up, though, are Facebook, Apple, Chesapeake, and Tesla, and even Bank of America. Now, Bank of America, I picked up a bunch of Bank of America the other day because of the drop. So it's kind of a little confusing because I had such luck on that drop that I was able to pull up. Now, I'm still not at my next benchmark. I had a little bit of a pullback financially, in the numbers. I'm still ahead of the last benchmark that I hit, but I had a little pullback, so I'm just waiting to make some profit. Hopefully, I'll make some profit today, and we'll see what happens, and I'll tell you guys where it is at that point. But these are the chart I actually updated yesterday. I think I got a little panicked yesterday and dropped numbers, and I shouldn't have dropped them. And I'm going to go back to the original numbers, which is 148 at Facebook, which could happen today. You can actually get in today still, and I think you can still make money. Now, it's going to open pretty strong. I see it up already $1.25, which is fantastic. I'm looking for 152 to get out. And then I'm going to hold out and see what happens into the dead zone. I might even buy puts at 152. I might not. I haven't decided. Apple is screaming. Again, 155 is going to be the top. It's sitting here at about it's up to $1.35 already this morning before market opened. And again, we're probably looking at selling at 155, possible puts. Netflix, we're out of the dead zone, or we're in the dead zone. We're right here now. So these numbers may actually go up. It may actually go into the 160s. Chesapeake, I'm still looking for my 580. I'm about 20 cents short, I think, at this point. Bank of America, this was a great pull the other day. I texted all my students. I said, buy Bank of America, buy July strike price of 22, and jump in. I'm ahead a lot already. Bank of America is already up another 14 cents. It's 22.88. I jumped in right around there, so I'm kind of, believe it or not, I actually got in all of these early. So that was it Tuesday, right? No, Wednesday, whatever it was. The day of the drop, I got in early, and I got in too early. So I'm actually just recovering from my early, but at this point today, we'll make the profits. Tesla, I don't know. It drives me crazy because I call these dead on Tesla every time, and I still don't go in. I'm also in Twitter. I didn't put it on the board, but I really believe Twitter is a good one. I may break a rule slightly and add a seventh, which is Twitter, because I believe Twitter is going to rock into the 20s, and there's plenty of room for it to rock. It dropped $1.25 the other day on that dip. So that dip was a screaming buy because Twitter's on fire again because of Trump and the last earnings report. So people have faith in Twitter again. Twitter's not going out of business, which is what we all thought it would be doing about this time. And it seems like it's not going to, so I'm liking Twitter, even though, once again, like I said, it's not on the board, but I'm there. I'm looking for 20 and I'm out. I got in right around 18 something, really low 18s. So we're going to be doing really well here. I need you to start learning how to do options. I'm telling you, it's awesome. I'm only up 80% this year. It's horrible. I'm supposed to be up 115% at this point. I'm only up 80%. I realize, I'm disappointing everybody by only being up 80% in 4 months, 5 months. But hey, it is what it is. Anyway, let me teach you how to do this. Let me teach you how to make money. Let me teach you how to make more money than you've ever imagined that you could do. Go to crazyoptionstrader.com and you can do this. Also, click the links below. It's right there. Go for it, man. I'm telling you, this stuff really, really works. No doubt. All right, that's it for today. I'm going to tell you that it's going to be an awesome weekend. I'm taking a flight to someplace really warm. Actually, it's already warm, isn't it? And that's going to be it for today. So, have a profitable day.